Hello, Odooers. Welcome back to our channel, Devintelle. Today we will see how to print invoice discount report in Excel format. You can see here our module, the invoice discount report. First install this module, so click on this activate button. Now our module is installable. First go to invoicing and see here this menu, invoice discount Excel. Click on add here start date, end date, add state like a draft, posted, paid, and last is a posted and paid, but I want to select posted and select here invoice type. Now click on this discount Excel. So see here printed invoice discount report. Thank you.